Traders, it's PTO. Welcome back. We are on the 12th of February. This will be a very special video. It's something that I want. I don't want to do, to be honest. I will be showing my trades, the trades that I took today with a profit, and I think showing profits is not useful. I prefer to try to give you some useful content by which you can be profitable, so you can learn from my experience to how to trade. But you know, so many traders do this, so I want to do as well. I will do this probably in the future, but I want to show you the logic by which I made a trade, and also, and above all, probably the mistakes that I made. So probably I will be showing you the red days, which fortunately are not so much, but I think will be so much more useful to you learning by my mistakes. Anyway, so first of all, which is something that every morning I share in the Discord group. By the way, you can join this group. You have trading ideas, you have the daily bias, you have futures curves with volumes, with the footprint, you have journal, all the back test. I mean, you have everything to become profitable in the market. Everything for free. I don't need to your money, because I don't need to sell trading curves. So join this group. I'm pretty much sure you are going to appreciate all the contents that are inside. So daily bias, this is something, as I told you, that I share on the disc group. So how I identify daily bias. So this is Tokyo as your range, okay, and this is London. So as you can see, like pre-market on Monday, we are ranging here, okay. We are ranging inside this this range, obviously. So the one thing I have to wonder when I see a range is basically liquidity. As ICT says, price basically try to grab external liquidity to go on the internal liquidity, or try to grab internal liquidity to target the external liquidity. So we are on the highs of the Nasdaq history, which is this one. So the first scenario is grab the liquidity of the highs to go down. The second one is grab the internal liquidity to go up, okay. Obviously, try to predict, okay, a bearish trend when you have, look at the daily chart, when we have this kind of chart, okay, this kind of graph. I mean, is crazy, okay. So what I want to do is try to identify internal liquidity, which is something that I do on a 50-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame, but I prefer 50-minute time frame. And as I highlight here, this is a perfect internal liquidity. Why I said perfect, because this is the first step of a range, of a previous range, which is this one, okay. So what I suppose price will do is going to test again this support area here, and this is the chart that I share on this group, but I was wrong. Okay, as you can see, price didn't touch this range, and go on the 9:30 opening. Well, price did basically this kind of thing, okay, and then move up. So basically I missed this part, okay, I missed this wall range. I didn't trade here. Oh, now price is going down very, very strongly. Anyway, I missed this range, this trade here, just because I was expecting for the price to reach this zone. Okay, I'm a very conservative trader, so I always prefer to highlight the very premium and discount zone, because I do less trades, I know, but I have so much more edge on the market, and above all, less drawdown. Anyway, these are the trades that I took today. So 9:30 here. So the first trade, sorry, these are the trade that I miss, which is this one. So it's better to go on 1 minute time frame. And yeah, we saw, so this is the opening. Okay, the first trade that I miss is this one. Okay, I could enter here because we have this impulse from this range visible on the 52nd time frame. We're talking about scalping, obviously. This is the liquidity. Grab the liquidity and go up. Okay, this was a pretty much easier, to be honest, trade that I didn't take because, as I told you before, I wait for the price to reach the zone. Okay, I was waiting for the price to reach the zone. Going on a 50-minute time frame, I want you to show this range. Okay, so price react magnificently on this range, and from this range, price got this huge move to the upside. So the first trade, so then price broke the open range high. Where is the first trade? Yeah, this one. This is a counter trend scalp, and the reason by which I made this trade is because we have this range. Oh, sorry, delete everything. So we have this range. Okay, price broke this low, and I was expecting for the price to reach this range. Okay, from which we have this last impulse. Okay. So my intention was to going long from here, but price did not reach this range here, and before going here, he already test this range here with this inside the zone, which is the origin of this impulse. Okay, so I enter here when I saw this break on the structure here, retest here on this little small range, and go. I just wanted for the price to go here, but as I saw this candle right here, so this engulfing with this huge push by the cumulative delta volume, and you see we have convergence. So price and cumulative delta volume are telling the same thing, that we are on the bullish side. Okay, so I quickly close the trades over here. Okay, so basically this is almost a break-even point, some small profit probably. The second trade, so price now is going high and finally gets is telling that we can going to look for a long trade. We have here, the second trade is this, but it's a short one, and the reason by which I show the market here is because we have CDV divergence here, which is a filter that I usually use because it helps me to identify absorption, exhaustion, etc. So we have this range here. Okay, price re-enter the zone, and this is beautiful. When I see this one is a basically two fair value gaps, one close each other's on the on a different direction. Okay, I don't remember the ICT name of the setup, but I mean, it's pretty much clear that we have we have a clear climax here. Okay, so with huge volumes here in this on the screen over this one, I have all the footprint here. This is the trade. So we have on the footprint chart, we have this climax. Okay, this candle climax. It's telling me we are in front of a strong bullish pressure. Okay, so when I see this, what I'm expecting a clear jump of the price to reach the highs. With all this imbalances here, all this momentum here, so strong momentum here. We have trap sellers here. Okay, so everything is ready for a jump of the price. But on the next two candles, price broke the lows of the climax candle. So what does it mean? And we have this imbalance here. I don't know the name that ICT gave to this pattern. Implied FEG or inversion FEG. Yeah, I don't remember, to be honest. Sorry for this misinformation. I don't know what to call it. Anyway, so when I see this kind of movement, I mean, why we have to? I just wonder why we have to. We have this strong bullish, but price is going to break the lows, and all this candle became basically trapped buyers candle. Okay, these are all trapped buyers. So I just wait for the price to re-enter on the same range, which is this one. Okay, to go short, and this is the reason by which I enter short on this trade. So I enter here and I close here. This is very, I mean, this is the perfect trade, even if we are against the main trend, but I just close here on this imbalance. Okay, and we know that price tend to feel all the untested imbalance. The third trade was this one. Okay, for the same reason, and because I saw price breaking this low. Sorry. So possibly, I mean, when I see this, I just wonder if we are in front of a reversal. Okay, so I re-enter on the same dynamics, with the same dynamics here. Footprint tell me the same thing. Look at the cumulative delta. We are short. Okay. As I saw, so I enter here as I saw this pattern, which is a clear pattern. Let me erase everything. So when I saw this pattern, I close. Okay, this is a clear pattern in which you have to, I mean, is a trigger or is the end of your trade, as for me on this trade. Okay, I know we are on a bullish trend again, but this sounded good to me, so I just enter, and you know, I was right. Okay, I was right because price re-enter the same zone and react magnificently here. Now we are here, so, and what I targeting is before was the opening range high, but you know, so this trade we are on scalping mode, so I don't want to miss this little profit. Okay, so guys, this is these are the trades that I made today. I hope you like this video. I know I didn't prepare anything, but I don't want to. This is not my job. My job is to trade and not to make videos. But anyway, hope you like it, and let me know if you want to have more video like this. Subscribe to the channel, press the thumbs up button, ring the bell, same old stuff. join the Discord group. Yeah, comment the section. Just comment the section below. And let me know what you think. Okay, thank you guys. See you in the next video.